Sweetened condensed milk is delicious, but so expensive. I'm going to show you how to make it at home for a fraction of the cost.
To a heavy bottom saucepan, add 2.5 cups, 590 milliliters of whole milk. It's important to use whole milk in this recipe because semi-skim or skim milk won't give that same delicious texture. Turn the pan on to medium-low. I like to use a pot that has a wide base to make sure there's a more even heat distribution across the pan. You want to make sure not to scald the milk. We just want a gentle bubbling under the surface and a ring of bubbles around the edge of the pan. You may see a slight skin forming on top of the milk. Don't worry about that at all. It will all mix in once we've added in the sugar. Now that the milk is gently simmering, add in 1 cup, 200 grams of granulated sugar. Stir this until the sugar has completely dissolved. You'll be able to feel the granules of sugar in the pan. Keep stirring until all of the sugar is dissolved and it's really smooth. Once the sugar has dissolved, add in a pinch of salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. That's just going to help balance out the sweetness. Turn your pan up slightly to medium heat and let it come to a gentle rolling simmer. Once you start to see those bubbles forming under the surface, set your timer for 5 minutes. This will need to cook for about 30 to 35 minutes, being sure to stir every 5 minutes so that we're scraping the sides and the bottom and making sure none of that milk and sugar burns. This is about the 25 to 30 minute mark. Let's give it another 5 to 10 minutes and it will be perfect. This is what your condensed milk will look like when it's finished. Those bubbles will really be coming up from the bottom. It will have changed color, it's nice and thick, and when you pull it up the side of the pan, it really sticks.
This recipe makes the equivalent of 1 store-bought can of milk, but you can just as easily double or triple it if you're going to be doing a lot of baking.
While it's still hot, strain your sweetened condensed milk through a strainer into a jar. My sieve is very fine, so I'm having to give it a helping hand with my spatula. You can see all of those little bits have come together. It's creamy and smooth, and it looks just like what you'd get out of a tin. The real plus side is it's cheaper, and I personally think it tastes better.
This will last 2 to 3 weeks in the fridge or up to 3 months in the freezer. So if you're preparing early for a big bake session, get this started now. This sweetened condensed milk is perfect to make my Hello Dollies. Check out the recipe here. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe because I come out with a new video every week. See you next time.